Hey, welcome to AVEVA World 2026. We are here in beautiful Milan, and welcome to another episode of PartnerTalk. Today I have Ajit Yeole from Cognizant. My name is Harpreet Gulati. I head the PI system business for AVEVA, and we're going to be talking about the new Audit Trail Reporter that we have recently released. So Ajit, why don't you introduce yourself first?
Hello everyone, and thank you for bringing us all together at AVEVA World in Milan 2026. I'm part of Cognizant's Life Sciences Manufacturing Industry Solutions Group. I head the solution engineering team, and I also wear a hat of the sales and business development leader for the global growth markets. Having said that, I've been steering our strategic partner relationship over the last couple of years and looking forward to the conversation today.
It's been a pleasure working with you, Ajit. So Cognizant has been a great partner for AVEVA. We've been doing a lot of development together. Cognizant does a lot of development for AVEVA, but this is a new relationship that we've had. Why don't you talk a little bit about this new relationship that we got into?
Yeah, and it's been an interesting relationship. So last year when we engaged, we spoke about a 360-degree relationship. This year we have converted it to a 360-degree partnership as well. And what I mean by that, we have been a life sciences endorsed system integrator over the last couple of years, which brought us a lot of deep understanding of the industry as well as AVEVA product stack. And while going through that, we unearthed different potential and capabilities around PI and the industry needs. And that led us to addressing some of the challenges which industry has been facing, to come with capabilities, address challenges in the area of audit trail. And we conceptualized that idea over the last 2 years and converted that to an offering along with AVEVA. And we will have an opportunity to share more details about that as a new relationship in form of Cognizant's product being branded as AVEVA Audit Trail Reporter, brought to the market through AVEVA sales channel. And that's a completely new partner relationship with AVEVA, which we will bring it forward this year.
Absolutely. So as Ajit mentioned, Cognizant and AVEVA have developed a new web-based PI audit reporter. Ajit, why don't you talk a little bit about what problem are we addressing for the life sciences industry or the regulated industries?
PI has been almost like a de facto industry standard for holding the data related to process production. It is a de facto GXP OT data repository. Having said that, it has been providing the audit capabilities through Audit Viewer as an application sitting in the PI system. And with the advent of increasing changes to the regulatory needs and regulatory pressures around data integrity, we realized that there is more and more need for data being seamlessly available to the industry for supporting their audit and compliance requirements. And it further enhances the need and from the industry, because what we see is about 60 to 80% of the warning letters issued by FDA have audit trail and electronic reviews as one of the main categories of why the data integrity issues are flagged. And that further enhances the need for the industry to have something which they can address the audit capability in a much simplified and easier manner. And that is where we are trying to solve that problem. Now, while we are trying to solve that problem, industry has been also sharing their feedback with us over the last couple of years and our exposure with different services that we as an SI offer to our life sciences clients. And they have been asking, how can I get more searchable capabilities? How can I simplify my reporting requirements? How can I ensure that my electronic reviews of the data related to audit is much faster? Can my reports be sort of self-auditable and things like that. And that led to an interesting development of a product together with AVEVA in form of an offering.
Thank you, Ajit. Great offering. While we are at it, why don't you highlight a couple of key features that we should highlight for our clients?
Yeah, so I gave you the context on why we thought there is a need for something like this, right? And with the release of this product, what we are trying to bring is an enterprise grade audit trail management capability on the PI system. And what I mean by that, this product, which is complementing AVEVA PI system, is going to allow our customers to have audit capabilities across their multi-site landscape, connecting to multiple PI data archive servers, PI AF servers, and then have all that seamless capability at an enterprise level or at a site level, depending upon how they want to do the deployments. While doing that, they are going to get comprehensive search capabilities. They are going to get an intuitive web user interface, which will be role-based, meeting the needs of different roles in the system, be it reviewers, be it auditors, or be it system administrators. And then on top of that, it is giving them the ability to annotate for any specific audit record they want to look at. It is getting them providing them the mechanism to report, have electronic reviews done, and then all these reports are going to be in compliant with the quality assurance requirements. And these are some of the capabilities which will simplify the whole audit trail process for our clients.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you, Ajit. Again, we're very excited. I mean, this is a great set of capability, will be hugely useful for our life sciences and in fact, all regulated industries. So looking forward to getting more feedback from everybody. Once you, as I said, mentioned that we released this capability last week, which May 20th, forget the dates, but we are roughly mid-May. It's available right now. Why don't you talk a little bit about how our clients can get hold of this capability?
Yeah, so we have kept the whole availability of this product simple. This product is available through AVEVA exclusively as AVEVA sales channel, which means our customers have one single window to consume this as a complementary offering inside the PI system. They can have access to this product immediately from today as part of their arrangement and agreements with AVEVA. They can consume this product as part of their flex licensing, and they can go to their respective account manager and customer success manager to have access to the product. And we as a partner are also available to help them in their adoption journey, in their journey to answer any questions, and even their future requirements as part of the product roadmap evolution.
Perfect, thank you very much. So you heard it, folks. Get hold of your account manager or your channel manager, and this capability will be available immediately through Flex. So look forward to working with you. Thank you very much, Ajit.
Thank you, Harpreet, for giving us this opportunity.
Absolutely, it's been a pleasure, collaborating with you, the Cognizant team. You guys have been great, and we look forward to success jointly.
Same here.
All right, thank you.